Hello and welcome. Greg here from Jaguar Crewe, bringing you today this gorgeous looking Jaguar E-Pace midsize SUV. This particular example is the E-Pace R Dynamic S D180 all-wheel drive, finished here in the optional Corris grey metallic colour. The front of this vehicle will offer a large stylish front grille, fully complemented by various chrome accents and of course full LED headlights with LED daytime running lights. As one of our Jaguar approved used vehicles, it will benefit from minimum 12-month warranty and roadside assistance, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. Around the side, you will also find these silver stylish alloy wheels with prominent S badging available on the sides of the car as well. The overall silhouette is definitely guaranteed to turn heads, and the rear cabin will also offer loads of legroom and headroom for up to 3, with the cabin finish in ebony black leather with contrasting light oyster stitching. Rear air vents, magazine holders, isofix anchor points and even cup holders will be on offer, whilst in the rear you'll find full LED tail lights. The boot space, once opened, you'll see for yourself, can easily accommodate a week's worth of shopping, and that's before you fold down the rear seats in a 60-40 split. Perhaps one of the coolest features is that hidden compartment here. A quick glimpse in the front of the cabin will also offer you an AWD interactive driver display, leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel, with the front seats offering additional side lumbar support and being electrically adjustable. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Jaguar E-Pace. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not hit on the like button now or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once inside the cabin of this E-Pace, there's plenty for you to enjoy. The stitching on the dashboard and lots of soft touch materials will really elevate the whole experience, whilst the driver control panels are easy to reach. The multifunction steering wheel can operate cruise control and speed limiter, as well as various trip information up ahead. There are a number of bespoke drive modes such as rain, ice, snow for added grip, economy will prioritize fuel efficiency, comfort will give you the best of both worlds, whilst the dynamic mode will prioritize a sportier spirited drive. Because it's a digital display, you can also fully change the look of the system as well, changing radio stations and also safety systems such as city emergency braking and lane departure warning. You can also change the display completely to make, for example, the dials disappear and give you a full widescreen view of the mapping, which is great when traveling on unfamiliar roads. In the center, a 10-inch Touch Pro system will have all your entertainment needs covered, with the likes of built-in satellite navigation function, as well as easy-to-use Bluetooth pairing for all your telephony and audio media streaming. Radio bandings are available also via AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception, and there is even Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone interface for next level connectivity. ASI all surface information will let you know what the all-wheel drive system is doing at any given moment, whilst the rear camera with a wide angle view is fully supported by front and rear parking sensors. As we move down the cabin, easy to use 2-zone climate control system is operated via the rotary dials and even comes with a heated front windscreen, which is ideal for the frosty months ahead of us. Deep center armrest features 2 USB connectors for keeping your devices topped up with battery. This has been a presentation of the Jaguar E-Pace R Dynamic S all-wheel drive that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact one of our Jaguar specialists on 01270 864386 or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it and we look forward to hearing from you.